What's colder than cold? Ice cold. All right. Now that nonsense is over. AI is getting intrusive. But you know that. What is really annoying is that these Ring cameras that they're talking about. If you saw the commercial for the Super Bowl where you can find dogs by just uploading a picture of it, and then the Ring cameras search for it in neighboring Ring cameras, and then there's that missing person or Guthrie in the Today Show host, and it's her mom that's missing, and they're finding data on a camera. Was it connected? Wink. Or using a service. They dug it out of the database. So, whew.